Hello, and thank you for stopping by. Just want to give a heads up to anybody that's in the snow belt region. I'm in mid-state New York, and we're getting all kinds of different weather forecasts from 5 inches to 12 inches. This is the latest forecast from Echo. Echo, what's the weather forecast for the next 5 days?
Today's high is 44 with a 40% chance of afternoon showers. Friday will be colder with a high of 32. Then Saturday brings frigid conditions with a high of 15 and 80% chance of snow near dawn. Sunday's the big one with 3 to 6 inches of snow expected and a high of just 13. Monday rounds out the forecast with some morning snow and a high of 23.
We've been having temperatures from 7 degrees up to 10 degrees, up to 22 degrees, and today it might be in the 40s. So it looks like we're having a little bit of a heat wave.
From 7 to 44 degrees, that's practically tropical by your standards. Smart thinking on the snowblower prep though. With 6 to 10 inches heading your way this weekend, you'll definitely want that machine purring like a kitten when Sunday rolls around. Better to wrestle with it in 44-degree beach weather than when it's 13 and snowing sideways.
So you heard it, folks. Today's a good day to go out and get that snowblower ready for the snowfall that's coming.
Absolutely. With that 44-degree heat wave you've got going, it's perfect timing to drag that snowblower out of hibernation. Much easier to check the oil, test the pull cord, and make sure everything's running smooth when you're not fighting single-digit temps and howling wind. Plus, your neighbors will think you're a weather wizard when you're the only one whose driveway gets cleared while everyone else is still trying to figure out why their machine won't start in a blizzard.
So you heard it from the expert AI. Let's get to it. Okay, what I'm going to point out now may be new to some of you, and just a reminder to the rest. If you used the snowblower recently and these temperatures dropped and you leave your machine outside or even in a cold garage, you want to make sure that you don't have any snow or ice that's frozen to the auger. Either inside on the plate here or inside on those propellers. If that's frozen, when you start this up, it'll start and you'll burn out your belts. If you have any ice in here, either store it someplace where it's warm or use a heat gun. That's tip number one. Tip number two, you want to have some extra shear pins because you never need them until you need them. So have some extra shear pins on hand. Again, check in your flute, make sure that's clean. Check your tires, make sure they're inflated. I have this one tire, every so often it leaks some air. I have slime in here for the last couple of years, and you got to remember, this machine is a 1985 unit, and I'm pretty sure these are the original tires. You want to make sure you have some extra belts. Today's a good day, at least in my area. If you don't have extra belts, look up your model number, go to your local shop and pick them up. Again, you won't need them till you need them. Before you start your machine, check your oil. Make sure you have fresh gas in your tank. And it wouldn't be a bad idea to start your machine before the snow comes, just to make sure it's going to start. And if you have any issues, you could correct it before that snow comes. Like I said before, it's in the 40s today. I believe it's the low 40s, but it's a lot warmer than the teens. And have some extra gas on hand. We really don't know how much snow we're going to get, how much we're going to need. It might not be a bad idea if you have a generator to get that going also. They're saying we're going to have icy conditions and that we might have power lines going down. And for those of you that have auxiliary heating, it might not be a bad idea to get some extra firewood inside. Again, it's a nice day today. Good day to work on your machine if you have to. Change your oil, plug, whatever you have to do. Get it ready. I got mine facing downhill. The last time it snowed, my household had the norovirus and I didn't get to clean this out. So when it snows this time, I'm going to have a little job out here and I'm making sure this unit's ready to go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Post them down below. If you enjoyed it, give me a like. It does help. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z icon. And not to miss my new videos as I upload them, be sure to ring that bell. Until next time, stay warm and be safe.